Welcome to SVfacts. In previous video, we talked about types of artificial intelligence. Today, we will talk about the different types of artificial intelligence based on their capabilities. If you're curious about AI and its future, this video is going to be super informative. So let's get started. Introduction to AI and classification. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a technology that enables machines to think, learn, and make decisions like humans. AI is generally classified in two ways. One, based on capabilities, and two, based on functionality. In this video, we will focus on AI classification based on capabilities. Three types of AI based on capabilities. 1. Narrow AI, weak AI. 2. General AI, strong AI. 3. Super AI, artificial superintelligence. The first type is narrow AI, also known as weak AI. This type of AI is designed to perform a specific task efficiently, but does not possess human-like intelligence. Examples include voice assistants like Siri and Alexa, AI chatbots like ChatGPT, self-driving cars, and recommendation systems on Netflix and YouTube. Now, let's talk about general AI, also known as strong AI. This is an advanced form of AI that, if developed, would be capable of reasoning, problem-solving, and decision-making just like a human. However, as of now, no fully functional general AI exists. General AI can think and perform tasks like humans. Currently, no fully developed general AI exists. Companies like Google DeepMind and OpenAI are researching this field. If general AI becomes a reality, it will completely transform industries from healthcare to space exploration. But right now, it's still a work in progress. Now comes the most advanced and potentially dangerous type of AI, super AI. This is an AI that would surpass human intelligence in every field, from scientific research to creativity and decision-making. Though currently just a concept, experts believe that if super AI is developed, it could either be a blessing or a serious threat to humanity. The big question is, will humans be able to control super AI, or will it take control over us? This remains one of the biggest debates in the AI world. Today, we explored the three types of AI: narrow AI, which we use today; general AI, which is still under development; and super AI, which could redefine the future of humanity. AI is a powerful tool, and its future depends on how responsibly we develop and use it. What do you think? Will super AI be a game changer for humanity, or does it pose a serious risk? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to hit the like button. For more informative content, subscribe to SVfacts and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video. Stay smart and stay safe with AI. Thank you for watching.